Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at Apple on the daily and weekly time frame, so we did have a pretty strong close today. We did get over those 106.50s, which have acted as resistance. So I'm still looking at this bear flag potential, and it's a pullback. A couple days of a bounce, parallel support and resistance lines before continuation to the downside. And what would negate that, in my opinion, is a strong close over the 10-day moving average resistance tomorrow. That will be in the low 107 area. If that cannot be the case, I am going to be weary of a potential pullback and move for lower lows. So it definitely was a strong close. The fact that the bulls did close up near the high of the day does show some more strength than I had been giving them credit for all day. And tomorrow's going to be a very telling day. It's either going to prove to me that the bulls are seeing some nice follow through on this bounce, or it's going to make me even more convinced that we likely see lower lows on this pullback. So the weekly time frame is a doji of indecision after rejecting from that 100-week moving average resistance. I don't think the bulls are done consolidating looking at this weekly time frame. I think we need to backtest some moving average support. 103.29 is now our target. Original target was this gap to fill at 105.27, and we filled it. So now we're looking at that weekly 50-week moving average support. Lower high is still intact. Looking for a higher low we can see as we've consolidated. The 10-week is where we have bounced off of. That's lining up right with that 50-week as well. So nice day for the bulls. We do have the event next week, iPhone release, oftentimes a sell the news event. Maybe that will lead to more downward pressure and a confirmation of this bear flag. But just want to be very cautious if you are bullish. Keep those stop losses in place. And obviously the overall market reaction to the jobs data tomorrow. Job numbers will have a big effect on what we expect tomorrow. And with weakness, we can expect weakness. But this lower Bollinger Band is holding very nicely the past 3 days. Currently at 105.92. And we'll see how long that can keep the price propped up. So we'll be back tomorrow to check in. Have a great night.